Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the anti-aliasing in Palworld. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here select graphics and look for anti-aliasing. Currently I have it set to TSR. There is also TAA, FXAA and none. Let me refresh myself. Yeah, the preset actually doesn't change it beyond turning it off for low. If I remember correctly, TA, basically those are semi-equivalent, FXAA and TAA, and TSR does the same thing but better. It's higher quality, so it is actually naturally ordered between off, low quality, medium and high quality for anti-aliasing. Once you are happy with the changes, press the back button, then select yes to apply the changes, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.